Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Windows Workshop, I'm going to show you how you can check your Windows version. The chances are good that if you call tech support, we are going to want this information. I'm at my Windows desktop, and there are several ways that you can find information about which operating system you use. The easiest way is to right-click on your Start button. In the lower left, this is the Start button, and when you click on it normally with the left mouse button, you get all of your regular Start menu options. However, if I right-click, I get a different menu. And one of the options that I can choose is System. If I choose System, the System window opens, and in this window, I can get information about my computer, including the Windows specifications, which includes the Windows edition, the current version, when it was installed, and which specific operating system build you have. All of this information may be helpful to tech support, and this is the best place to get it. You can also access the System menu by clicking Start and typing System, and then you can either click System under Settings to get to the same modern window, or you can choose System Information to be brought to the old school Windows screen that gives you the same information. Additionally, I can go to the Control Panel, and if I have either large or small icons selected instead of category, one of the options I can choose is System, and this will again bring me back to the modern Windows settings screen for the system information. As a reminder, Advantage Software offers anytime support 24/7. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content every week. Thank you so much and have a great day.